In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block ads in Opera browser. By the end, you'll have Opera's built-in tools working to make pages cleaner, faster, and a bit more private. No extra extensions required. Start by opening the Opera browser. Once it's up, look to the left side of the window for the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click that to open your main settings. This is where Opera keeps most of the controls that affect browsing speed, privacy, and site behavior. Inside Settings, find and select Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. This section gathers everything related to protection and performance, so you won't have to hunt around in multiple menus. Now, turn on the option labeled Block Ads and surf the web up to 3 times faster. Enabling this built-in ad blocker stops most display ads and many pop-ups from loading, which can noticeably reduce clutter and help pages appear more quickly. Because ads often include heavy scripts and images, blocking them trims the amount of data your browser has to process. Right below that, switch on Block Trackers. Trackers are bits of code that follow your activity across different sites to build profiles for advertising and analytics. Blocking them can improve privacy and sometimes speed up browsing, since fewer background requests are made as pages load. After you enable both options, continue browsing as normal. You may notice pages feel lighter and more responsive. Keep in mind that no ad blocker is perfect. Some sites use techniques to detect blockers, and a few page elements may behave differently. If a page doesn't work as expected, you can return to the same privacy and security settings and adjust the toggles whenever you need to. That's it. Open Opera, head to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, enable Block Ads, and enable Block Trackers. You've now set up Opera to automatically reduce ads and tracking, helping you browse with fewer distractions and better performance. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, faster web experience.